Hi guys, welcome to Monday. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and we are here today for Make It in Minutes Monday. We're going to be making this cute card right here. I need a lot of thank you cards after the world card making weekend we had. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos that we posted. Make sure you hop over on Saturday. We're going to be doing a live, plus we're going to be doing a drawing for that grand prize. So make sure you check our blog out and find out all the details on how you can win the grand prize. So to get started today, we're going to be using Misty Moonlight for our ink. Massive thanks. We're going to be using the massive thank you down here for the outside. For the inside, a little card. Isn't that cute? Love this. Such a cute one. My favorite is the message on the cover may appear smaller than actual gratitude. That is so sweet. Love it. So we're going to be using that Tasteful Textiles embossing folder, and we're going to be using the Stitch rectangle dies. And we got everything pre-cut and done for us ahead of time so we can make this easier. This card is super duper simple. It just requires a couple things for prepping. We're using our Seaside Spray cardstock that we embossed with the Tasteful Textures, or Tasteful Textile. Good Lord, I'm saying the paper. So we embossed that, and then what we did ahead of time is we cut out these three right here. This is Misty Moonlight, Seaside Spray, and of course Whisper White right here. And what we did is we used the three smallest ones in the larger square area. So the white, Seaside Spray, and Misty Moonlight. Got that done ahead of time. And then we're going to have all the measurements over on our blog, so don't worry about missing out on that. Whisper White to go on the inside of the card. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do our stamping first. Now over here, we're just going to adhere. Now we're going to adhere these pieces together. And now we're ready to assemble. Now we're going to layer these on, but we're not going to use this. We are going to use dimensionals. Yay! Who doesn't love dimensionals? All right, guys, we are done. Look at that. Here's the one we did earlier. Here's the one we did together. Really hope you enjoyed this. I was thinking about adding some bling on there, but I thought, you know what? Let's just leave it plain. I like to add ribbon and sparkly stuff onto it, but this can be a massive thank you card for a guy, a gal, whoever you want it to be, to a child as well, teenager, whoever. We really hope you enjoyed this, and if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And for measurements and pictures, be sure to go over to our blog. There's going to be a link in the description below. Have a wonderful Monday. Thank you.